guys, and welcome back to another video regarding the AI series. Now that we have completed the AI videos regarding our tic-tac-toe game, let us see in which all field we can still use AI in. Did you guys know lung cancer has the highest rate of mortality among all cancers, accounting for an estimated 176,000 deaths in the United States in 2018. Also, early detection has been shown to reduce mortality rate by more than 40%. That is why medical guidelines endorse the use of low dose CT imaging for lung cancer screening. Despite the guidelines, even in a rich economy such as the United States, the healthcare system suffers from various challenges. Radiologists are prone to conclusions, and there is significant variability in the skill levels and findings across radiologists. Emerging economies suffer from additional problems. The shortage of trained radiologists far exceeds the shortage of imaging centers. In May 2019, scientists at Northwestern University and Google co authored a paper in Nature Medicine detailing the results of the test with an artificial intelligence system trained to read low dose CT images. The scientists also compared the accuracy of the AI system diagnoses with those of six expert radiologists. This is a leading example of the application of AI to computer vision in case where they could look at both the recent scan and an earlier one. The AI system performed as well as the radiologists. However, if both looked at only the more recent scan, the AI system bet the radiologists. The AI system also produced fewer false positives, that is, incorrectly concluding the presence of cancer, as well as fewer false negatives, that is, incorrectly concluding its absence, thereby reducing unnecessary follow up procedures and cases of missed tumor. Additionally, the system was able to pinpoint regions of the lung which carried a higher risk of malignancy. So, what were the sources of the AI system's advantages? Well, first of all, the system was not bound by the constraints of the human eye, which can look at only 2D images, slices on the screen. Instead, the system could look at the entire 3D image in one go. In fact, because the system could look at both the recent and the earlier 3D images simultaneously, it really had 4D vision with time as the fourth dimension. Second, because of its far greater compatibility power, the system could analyze each pixel as well as various combinations of pixels with far greater granularity than human radiologists could. Third, the system relied on deep learning, a more recent branch of artificial intelligence. In deep learning, the AI is trained on a subset of cases where it is given anonymized scans and is told only whether or not later tests would reveal the presence or absence of cancer. With no prior medical expertise, coded in a system had learned on its own how to make better predictions about the presence or absence of cancer through a rapid fire sequence of trials and errors. Guys might actually not believe it, but actually, this process is very much akin to how a child learns to crawl, stand up, walk, and run. This blank state approach made the system open to the discovery of novel signs of cancer in the CT scans. As a result, the AI system can now begin to teach human radiologists an interesting case of a reverse learning. The utility of these types of systems could be even greater in emerging economies as it can help fill the gap caused by the scarcity of trained radiologists. With this, we have come to the end of this video, but the AI series is still ongoing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.